Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram cannot send messages. So let's get into it. Number 1. Make sure you aren't blocked. If you can't send a message to a specific user on Telegram, it could be possible that they have blocked you. You need to make sure that you aren't blocked from their side. You can ask the person to check their privacy settings and ensure that you aren't blocked to ensure this. Number 2. Check your internet connection. Weak data or Wi-Fi signal can also impact your experience on Telegram. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data to troubleshoot whether or not the issue is related to connectivity. Number 3. Restart your Android. One of the common but effective ways to fix the error is restarting your Android phone. This is a basic step that everyone should know. It can solve any kind of glitches that occur on Android phones. What you have to do is hold power button for a few seconds. Then you will see power off and restart. Choose restart option and wait for a few seconds until the device restarts completely. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.